Good afternoon. Hello, it's me, Dobie. A little, because I'm about to head into the car and go to the clinic and face Dr. Catherine. But first, a little bloodletting. Well, here's how I look today. And I don't weigh in today, but this is what I look like, 22 pounds down. Little new hairdo. I got my war paint on. And I got my cross on, Karen, like you said. And this is what I said I was going to wear. It's a pair of blue jeans, some blue suede mules, and a yellow top. Just nice. And this nice denim jacket with two pockets. You can't see it very well, but anyway, the sleeves have that, and the hem has that also. You can't really see. But anyway, I can button it all the way up, and it's a size 16. Granted, 16W, which is actually a little bit bigger 16. But I wanted to tell you, I'm up. Ed is snoring away in the bedroom, and I'm off. I got pains everywhere in my stomach, but that's just me. I have a very bold imagination and a brain. All right, have a good day. I will be back. Bye.